Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm the Free Mechanic. This is Blaze here. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to change a front headlight and a 2020 Chevy Malibu. I think you go for like a 2019 too. Stay tuned guys. I'm gonna break it down, show you what to do. First, you wanna get the car off the ground. You wanna get the two front wheels off. You gotta take off the liner underneath the fender, and basically gotta move everything so the front bumper can come all the way off. Up top, you got a few 10mm. You gotta pull two. I'm gonna show you that in a little bit. But for the most part, first thing you wanna do, elevate the front. If you got a jack, you're doing it down. Just lift the two front wheel off, pop them off, get that out. You gotta get on at the bottom. Alright guys, so you see I got the little fender guard move right here. So the tool you're gonna need a little flat pine screwdriver. You're gonna need a T10 torque socket. You're gonna need a 7mm, a 10mm. So alright guys, so when you got the car up, you gotta take off all of these little bolts up here, all the way around. And once you pull it, you get more space to move the guard. And once you move the guard, then you will see everything that you gotta disconnect. The fog light, you got two more bolts up here that you gotta pull with 10mm. And I guess anything on the left side is gonna be the same on the right side. And up top, we got some 10mm that we gotta deal with. So I'm gonna show you up top once I get the car down, but we'll start from the bottom since it's the harder spot. But if you don't have any lift, guys, don't worry. Just use the jack. Get your jack stand to be safe. So when you get on it there, you'll be all right. Alrighty, guys, I'm on the next side. I did the same thing. 7mm bolt. One on the top right here. Two underneath the bottom right here. Get that, and it will pop right off. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna just go to the top, see what we gotta pull, and take it off. Alright guys, we're doing this together. So just see with me, and hopefully I can help somebody at home who got one of these new car. The reason I'm changing this, taking off the front bumper, is to get to the headlamp. These headlamps built with a built-in wire harness. It's not working. We changed the headlight, but still didn't work. So we gotta take the headlight out, give it a bench test, and see if the wire on the inside is not working. I'd used my probe yesterday to check it. It's just all grounds. I ain't got no positive coming to the light, so that's why we're taking it out, guys. And if you have one of these cars and you got a headlight problem where the bulb don't fix it, this is the procedure. Alright guys, we're on top right now, facing the engine. We got quite a few 10mm bolts up here to take off, probably like around 9 to 10 of them. Right here in the corner right here, you got one, and then the other sit on top. And over here in the corner too, you have another one. So let's take your time, guys, trying not to break anything. We're doing it together. So I'm gonna go ahead, take those 10mm out, and see where we go from there. Right here, where the 10mm connects underneath there, this is like a little guard. You kind of slid it back in here. So look out for that, guys. Just try to put it back where it come from. Put it back up. But yeah, you gotta pull all these T10 all the way around. We're gonna leave this support right here. We ain't gonna mess with it. See if we can just skin this off. I have the front bumper off. This is how you take the front bumper off. A Chevy Malibu, Chevy Impala, probably the same.
What? Look at the monster. Jeez.
Yes, sir. Alrighty guys, here we have it. That's how you take the front bumper off a 2020 2019 Chevy Malibu to get to the headlamp, to get to any little thing behind there. That's how we do it. Yeah, I'm sweaty right now, scratching, but thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment.